hello, welcome to Veg Wonders. Hope you people are doing good. Today I am going to prepare a simple dish with okra, bhendi or lady's finger, bhendi suka sabji. Generally people don't like bhendi because of the stickiness in it. Method avoids the stickiness in bhendi and you get a dry sabji. So let's see how to do it. To start with, I have washed and wiped bhendi and kept it open in plates like this so that it gets dried completely. After it becomes dry, I have cut it into pieces like this, little bigger ones. Make sure that it is completely dry. Now to it, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of besan or gram flour. I'm sprinkling it on it. One teaspoon of dhania powder. 1.5 teaspoon chili powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon jeera powder and salt to taste. If you want, you can even add ginger garlic paste here, but I didn't. Now mix everything gently like this, or use a ladle to mix it. Add 1 teaspoon of oil so that it gets mixed evenly. Now this is ready. I'll leave it for 2 to 5 minutes. Next, take a kadai. To it add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add mustards, 1 teaspoon. And after it gets splattered, we'll be adding 1 teaspoon urad, half a teaspoon chana dal, half a teaspoon jeera, and 1 dry red chilli. If you want, you can add finely chopped onions here at this stage, but I am directly adding the bhendi here. As we have already added everything to it, we have to just keep it mixing until it's completely cooked. I'm just reducing the flame to sim. See the color, it's lovely. Now this is half done. It really looks so good. This sabji goes well with roti and rice. This is almost done. See, now it's over. Even kids who don't like bhendi will love this. Just give it a try and let me know it in the comment section. Thanks for all the people who have subscribed, and if you still didn't subscribe, please do it. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and do subscribe. Till we meet next time in a different video. This is Amrita signing off. Take care. Bye bye.